Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video we are heading about an hour and a half southeast down to Palm Beach County to Coral Cove Park in Tequesta, Florida. Let's jump in. Coral Cove Park is located just north of Jupiter Inlet between the Indian River and the Atlantic Ocean. It has bathroom facilities, a playground area for the kids and showering and foot rinse stations, as well as a walking path and of course the beach. They also have ample free parking. Let's see what's out there. Wow, look at all of that sargassum that has washed up on shore. We had to step over piles that were nearly 12 inches deep and it was quite smelly. It's up and down the beach and just off the beach as well. There are some pretty cool rock formations right along the shoreline and extending into the surf a bit. There are several walk downs to get to the beach all along here. The water here is a really gorgeous color. It was a little stirred up so we couldn't experience the full effect, but what we could see was pretty awesome color. Just like with any other location along the ocean, I always have to be aware of low-flying aircraft such as this helicopter. Right now it is sea turtle mating season, so right away we have spotted some large sea turtles just offshore. Spotted this pair of turtles mating. The third turtle came alongside them in search of a mate as well. Later we came across this pair of turtles again just as they were heading out in different directions. From a distance you can see where the Loxahatchee and Indian rivers spill into the Atlantic Ocean. It makes an interesting layer across the beautiful aqua waters of the ocean. Let's go take a closer look at the mouth of the rivers. There is a definite distinctive line where the waters meet together. There were also some fish here, like this one. Here is a view of the whole park along with the parking lot from above. There is a lifeguard station to the right. Let's go check out the Indian River. The Indian River in this area basically looks like a channel or canal that has been dug out to support a boat path to the ocean from the inland docks. It is fairly narrow and shallow at the edges. It's a great place to do some stand-up paddle boarding. We came across these manatees while we were here right near the shore. Do you see the 4 manatees? They didn't seem to mind the people swimming nearby. After leaving the park, we decided to stop by Hobe Sound Beach. On the road to the beach, there is this really cool tree tunnel that you drive through. Once you emerge from the tree tunnel, the beach is right in front of you. Hobe Sound Beach also was suffering from loads of seaweed all over the beach. One thing to keep in mind if you come to this beach, the sand gets extremely hot here, so be sure to take your shoes with you for the walk back up to the parking lot. The lifeguard said that the sand can get up to 175 degrees. We didn't put the drone in the air, but we did enjoy a nice walk on the beach. It's been a great day at the 2 parks, but it's time to wrap up this video. We sure hope you enjoyed coming along with us. Thanks again for stopping by the channel. Remember to get out and explore the natural world around you. Thank you.